Whenever AI comes up, people ask, where do I start? Which AI tool should I use? How can it help me? Meet Murshid, your free, intelligent guide to answering exactly that. You will need to log in or create a new account if you don't have one. Then you'll go through a few assessment questions. Everything in Murshid is built from this short assessment. Once your profile is ready, this becomes your home base. At the top, your daily AI win. Next, Murshid shows you honestly how AI will reshape your specific role, the tasks AI is likely to automate, the skills that make you more valuable, and relationships AI can't replace. The Use Cases section generates specific, practical ways AI can help you right now. Each idea shows how much time it could save, its income potential, how difficult it is, and exactly which tools to use. Choosing AI tools can feel overwhelming, so Murshid narrows it down for you. Here you'll find a curated shortlist. Want to turn new AI skills into income? The Practical Projects and AI Hustle sections generate realistic, AI-powered opportunities tailored to your abilities and your field. Throughout the platform, Murshid keeps pointing you toward action. Every insight comes with clear next steps. Murshid also looks ahead at your career. It maps a realistic progression for your role, showing how each stage could grow your income over time, and lays out the specific skills to learn to get there. AI Mentor is your daily coach, a little guidance each day to keep you moving forward. By default, Murshid uses free shared AI, but if you'd like, you can connect your own provider, so switching is simple whenever you're ready. And it all comes back here, to your dashboard. Each day brings a new AI win. That's Murshid, a free, multi-language smart guide that helps you know how AI can add real value to you. Start your assessment today and take the first step.